show that the square root of 4 minus 4 cos square theta divided by 2 cos theta is equal to tan theta. So we want to show that everything is on the left will finally come to be the equal, or will be equal to tan theta. So we begin. First, what can you see in the square root? Inside the square root, we have 4. It means that 4 is common. Therefore, we begin there. 34 into 1 minus cos square theta. That's what we start with, cos theta. Very important. That's why you need to master the equations I gave from the beginning. But we know, what is this? 1 minus cos square theta is simply sine square theta. So next, we have 34 square root. Instead of 1 minus cos square theta, that simply means sine square theta. Because 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. We divide by 2 cos theta. Very well. What the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of sine square is sine theta divided by 2 cos theta. Very well. 2 and 2 cancels out. Sine theta, cos theta, what is that? We know that sine theta divided by cos theta equal to tan theta. Hence, we have proved that this one equal to this. Thank you very much. Continue cooperating. Math is very simple. It just needs a lot of practice. You practice.